Molluscum and Lichen Nitidus both present the shiny papules. So how to differentiate that? Dr. Maddineni Srinivas is going to help you in that. Hello dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you are not yet subscribed, please do subscribe to this channel. So Molluscum Contagiosum is going to present as shiny papules with central umbilication, very important term. Lichen Nitidus, it is going to present with small shiny discrete micro papules. And most important discriminating point between these two is the site. In the molluscum, face is going to be the site in the children, and remember students, genital lesions are going to be seen in the adults and immunocompromised patients, whereas in Lichen Nitidus, shaft of the penis is going to be the important site of involvement. Dorsum of the hands is the other side. Trunk and abdomen can also have the lesions. And in microscope, I hope all of you know Henderson-Peterson bodies, molluscum, and claw clutching ball appearance of lymphocytic infiltrate in between the lateral ridges in the Lichen Nitidus. So here you can see this is the picture of the Lichen Nitidus, where the lesions are present over the dorsum of the hands and also the fingers, and you can see this is the lesions which are present over the penis, the hypopigmented shiny papules. Whereas in the case of the molluscum contagiosum, you can see the lesions are present over the face and they are having central umbilication. Very classical picture. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, please do hit that like button. Also do subscribe for more such awesome videos on a regular basis. Thank you so much. Happy learning. Bye bye.